Yeah, alright, one trade workout. We are almost breaking even. Hi there, it's Leah. The other day I had a super intense trading session and I still ended up in profit, of course. But I want to share the experience with you. This video going to get a little emotional, but trust me, there are lessons to be learned. Before we dive into trading, don't forget to follow me on Telegram. I share my expert opinions there and even drop some awesome free trades. Let's get to it! First things first, switch to candles and then choose a 15-second chart. And next, set the time frame to 1 minute and get ready to enter trades worth $400. And now let's add a couple of indicators. Okay, Keltner Channel and also MACD with default settings. Next, moving average with the period 50. And styles yellow. Save it. We add currency pairs and we are ready to go. We are going long now. We've hit the moving average on the Keltner Channel. MACD is above 0, which is a pretty clear signal that the price is about to jump up. 3 indicators confirm this. Do you see that? And let's keep going. What? How? No worries, we've got 30 seconds left. The price will definitely change. Yeah, it's not changing. They missed the mark. MACD wasn't in the perfect spot. Well, it's all good. Let's move on and try to recover from this one. I did it. We are going long again, since with about 0 on MACD. Plus, we are above the moving average and in the upper Keltner channel. Yes, the price is going up. Everything looks great. Yes, we did it. The trade closed in profit. Whew. Here's a good spot to enter and I'll open a second trade right away. I can tell there is big money to be made here. Why go in so strong? Well, we can see that MACD is about 0 and above our moving average. So we're going long. Watching the chart closely, things are looking a bit tricky. Come on. Hey. Yeah, alright, one trade workout. We are almost breaking even. Phew. I'm opening 2 more trades because I see a good opportunity to make money. All the indicators are pointing to it. Yep. See, just like I said, money in the bag. I think Pocket just wants to keep us on our toes. Nothing new, really. And here we can see the moving average crossing. That's why everything bends so smoothly. Perfect! We've made up for that early loss. Good job, guys. Let's keep going. One more time, we are going long. We've hit the moving average again. And look at the MACD. We are expecting the price to go up. Great. The price is rising, see? Yes, it's awesome. Yeah! Yes! Another win! Yes! Alright, we are moving on to the final trade. Then we'll wrap things up. We are going short believe that the price will drop from this point. And the price is climbing, and so is the tension. The price is just hovering there, tensing around the entry point. Come on! Yes, yes, yes! Yeah! Yes, we made it just in time! Wow! Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something and won't make the same mistakes I did. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Big hugs and see you soon. Bye bye.